Dear students, in this video I will teach you about the absorption transition of hydrogen atom, limitations of Bohr's theory. We know that in general all atoms remain in their lower state. Suppose we can say it on n equal to 1. If atom remains in n equal to 1 and after absorbing energy, it may be transit at n equal to 2 or if it is transited at n equal to 3, n equal to 4, this may be n equal to 4. So after absorbing energy, the atom of lowest energy state may be transited from n equal to 2, n equal to 3 or n equal to 4. All the series of the absorption of energy, it is called Lyman series of absorption, as these all atoms are transited from n equal to 1. And if all these atoms are transited from n equal to 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 or 2 to 5 and above, then it is known as Balmer series. Balmer series. In general, uh, hydrogen is available in sun. So in solar spectrum, if we discuss about the solar spectrum, in solar spectrum hydrogen spectral lines are also available. However, with the Lyman series, Balmer series are also present in spectral lines of solar spectrum. Now we will discuss about the limitations of Bohr's theory. Limitations of Bohr's theory. First limitation: by the help of Bohr theory, we cannot explain about the atom which have more than one electron. More than one electron. It means we can explain about the atom which have only one electron, just like hydrogen. So by Bohr theory, only hydrogen spectrum we can explain. This is the limitation of Bohr theory. And second, by the help of Bohr theory, we cannot explain the structure of spectral lines. If we see the spectrum by the help of high resolving power spectrometer, then we see the very closely spaced lines. So this is the another limitation of Bohr theory. And third limitation is we cannot explain the relative relative intensity relative intensity of the spectral lines. By this theory, we cannot explain the relative intensity of the spectral lines. And fourth, if we apply magnetic field or electric field on the spectral line, then what is the behavior of spectral lines we cannot explain by the help of Bohr theory, electric field. And next limitation of Bohr theory is distribution of electron in orbits we cannot explain by the help of Bohr theory. And sixth and last limitation of Bohr theory, Bohr theory cannot cannot discuss about the wave nature of electron. Wave nature of electron. So these are the limitations of Bohr theory. So students, in this is a very small video, and in this video I have discussed with you about the absorption transition of hydrogen atom and limitations of Bohr's theory. And the last topic of this chapter, that is the uses of readable constant, I will discuss you in my next video. Thank you very much.